Hello viewers, how are you? Today we're gonna make a project of radar system using Arduino Uno. Component requirement: Arduino Uno servo motor, ultrasonic case, ultrasonic sensor, Arduino cover, jumper wires, Arduino cable. Now we'll wire the ultrasonic sensor with jumper wire. We have plugged in VCC, trig pin, echo, now in ground pin. The wiring with the ultrasonic sensor with jumper wire has been completed. Now we'll join the jumper wire with servo motor. Now the wiring up of servo motor is finished. This is Arduino case where we'll put our Arduino. Now the Arduino Uno and Arduino cases has been assembled. Now we'll go through the ultrasonic sensor. We'll put the ultrasonic sensor with its own case, which is printed in our lab through the 3D printer. This is the cover of Arduino case where we'll put our servo motor in it. All the wire goes in. You can see that. Now we'll tighten the screw of servo motor on both sides. The screwing up of servo motor has been completed. Now we'll put the cover of ultrasonic holder. All the wire goes in. Now we'll attach it with hot glue gun. Now the final look of ultrasonic cover look like this. Now we'll attach the ultrasonic holder with the servo motor through the glue gun. After attaching the ultrasonic holder with the servo motor look like this. Now all the wire of ultrasonic sensor goes in through the hole which is in the base of Arduino cover. All the wire goes in. Now we'll connect the respective wire with the respective pin of Arduino Uno. You can get the code, circuit diagram and manual of this project. Please check the description section for the code, circuit diagram and manual which is given in our description section. Now time to connect the respective wire of servo motor with the Arduino. Now last jumper wire is going to be connected. Now it's been completed of wiring and connecting all the jumper wire. Now we'll manage the wire so that we can screw easily. Okay. Now we'll tighten the screw cases. First screw have been screwed. Now time to tighten the screw of next pin. Okay, now final looks of this project look like this. Now we'll connect the programming cable of Arduino Uno. Okay, it's been connected. Now we'll connect the programming cable with our laptop and upload the code. Now the code is being uploaded. See, our project is working right now. You can buy these projects and components from online store, Daraz, as well as in our own website www.nepatronics.org. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and please write in a comment section about the needed improvement in our channel. Stay tuned. We'll be posting new projects in this channel.